If you want to level up in your trading, then believe me when I say that the platform that you use to analyze your charts plays a very crucial role in your trading. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to master TradingView, which I believe is one of the ultimate tools to analyze your charts like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. The reason why I say this is because almost all the top traders that I know uses TradingView to analyze their charts. Hi, my name is Tangod, and I'm documenting my forex journey to help you grow and learn along with me here on YouTube. And I also have a free Telegram channel where I drop free signals and I also drop educational content. So if you'd like to join my Telegram channel, the link is in the description box below. So why should you use TradingView? I remember that I said that TradingView is one of the ultimate tools to analyze your charts. Yes, I wasn't wrong. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your accounts to customizing your charts and using powerful tools for your analysis. Now let's get started. So to get to this interface, all you need to do is to click on the link in the description box below. It will bring you to this interface, or you can go to Google and search for tradingview.com. Now when you get here, you click on get started. And once you click on get started, you click on sign up. You can sign up with both your Google accounts or any other option that you want to sign up with right here. But for this tutorial, we'll be using email. So once you want to sign up with email, you type in your email. Then you choose a password which you want to use. Then you click on I'm not a robot. You verify your captcha. And the link will be sent to your email address. Now that link, all you have to do is to click on verify my account. I already have an account, that's why I'll not be creating any other account right now. So once you click on verify the account, it will now bring you to TradingView directly. Now once you get to TradingView, the only thing you now have to do is to input your username. It will give you an option to input username. You choose your username and click on continue. That's all. So once you have done that, this is where it will bring you to. It will bring you here. Now this is where the magic happens. Okay, so once it brings you here, first of all, let's clear out all these things. I don't like the way the chart is looking, so let's first of all click on this watch list to send it back. I don't like the way the chart is looking, so we'll click on this setting right here, this setting option. Once I click on this setting, first of all go to symbol. If I want to change the color of this chart, this candlestick, I want to change the color with candlestick, this is where I can change it right here. So I want to change it to a lighter green. I want it to be green and black. So green, I'll change the red one to black, green, this one will be black, green, and this one will be black. And that's it. So I prefer green and black candlestick. Now if you want to change the time zone, you can change your time zone here. So I will change my time zone to New York. Next we'll go to status line. If you want the title, which is GBP to be showing right here, you toggle it. If you don't want it, you can untoggle it. So that's how it works. I don't want that volume too, so I remove it. Bar change value, I remove it. Chart values, I remove it. Open market, I remove it. Background, I'll take the opacity to 0, or I can still remove it. Okay, I'll remove it. Logo, I'll remove it too. So this is just to make our charts very clean. But let's go to scales and lines. There's nothing much to do right here. So let's go to canvas. Now canvas, the background, sometimes your background might be looking like this. So if you want to change the background, you can just come here, click on this icon right here and change it to white. So it's be white. If you want to change it to black, you click on black and change it to black. So whatever color you want your background to be, this is where you change it. Now the grid line, look at all this line showing right here. I don't like it. So this is where to change it. Just move the opacity to 0. The second one, move the opacity to 0. As you can see, our chart is looking a little bit nice. You get? So the text, let's say you want to add text to your chart right now and you want the text, whatever color you want it to be, you can choose it right here. So I prefer black. It's on black by default, so I'll use black. Line, let's make the line black and increase the opacity. This is when I add text. So this is mount for now. So when I add text, that's what I will see. Let's go to trading, buy and sell button. So this buy and sell button, if you want it, you can leave it. If you don't want it, you can remove it. So these are for those who connect their broker to TradingView. I'll show you guys how to do it. Who wants to do that later? But let's just leave it, okay, in case. So there's nothing here. Alert. So if you want to add an alert to the chart, this is where you can add alert. Okay, alert line. Let's change the alert line. Let's change it to black. Okay. Because I'll show you guys how to set alert later. Then increase the volume. Event. I don't think we're making any adjustments here. Then you click on OK. Now as you can see, our chart is looking nice right now. So I love this look more than any other look. So now let's go through the tools step by step. Now the first one right here, if you look at now, I'm hovering over the chart. This thing is cross, it's plus icon. Now if you want to change this plus icon to something like dots, you can change it to dot. You can change it to arrow, and you can change it to whatever, maybe magic wand. But I prefer the cross. Okay, the plus icon. Now the second one right here is the second tools right here is lines, like trend line, horizontal line, vertical line, cross line, you know, those kind of stuff. So let's check out trend line first. So to use trend line, these are for those that trade with trend line strategy. I don't know how to trade with trend line, so if that's what you trade with, please have to add a trend line to your chart. And you can actually change the color of this trend line. Now to change the color, just come to the settings. If you come to the settings, you can click on this option, this icon right here, and change it to, let's say, black. Okay, you can change it to black. If you want to extend it, you can extend it to the left, extend it to the right. So you can do a lot of stuff right here. Now you can still add text to this trend line. Now to add text, you activate the text button. And once you do that, if you want the color of the text to be blue, you leave it at blue. If you don't want it to be blue, you can click on it and change it to whatever color you want to change it to. I will leave it at blue. Now how big do you want the text to be? So you can change this 14 to 10. You can change it to whatever size you want it to be. So I'll leave it at 10 and click on the bold. So let's type something on tutorial. So where do you want this text to be? Do you want it to be at the top of this trend line, or do you want it to be at the middle, or do you want to be at the bottom? So we'll leave it at the top. Now for this alignment, where do you want it to be? Left, right, center? I want it to be at the right. Okay, so once you have done that, you click on OK. You click on OK. As you can see, they've added the trend line with the text. I prefer the blue trend line to black. So let me change the text to black. I prefer the blue. So this is how to add trend line. Now the next one there is let's look at the horizontal line. Horizontal line, you can use it to compress it anywhere and move it to any place you want to move it to. You can also add text to it. You can still change the color of it. You can change it to black. Let's take it back to blue. You can change it to whatever color you want to change it. Now, as we can change all these things color, you can also change their sizes. So as you can see, this horizontal line is at 2. If you want to change it to 4 to make it bolder, you can switch to 4. You can switch to 1 to make it light. I think 2 is okay. Yeah, so that's how to do it. If you want to delete it, just click on the delete icon and delete it. So you can just go through these tools right here, the line tools, to see which one you want to use or which one is going to feel better. Now let's go to the Fibonacci tools. So the first one is the Fibonacci retracements, which we all know. A lot of people know how to use it. So just drop it on the chart and drag it down.
So this is how to use your Fibonacci retracement. Now this Fibonacci retracement is not looking nice. So to make it look nice, just go to settings and we can change the colors, or you can remove the colors. I don't like the colors, so I'll just remove those colors. If I actually want to remove those colors, I think it's the background. Okay, so you click on background, you can remove the background entirely, or you can reduce the opacity. So let's just reduce the opacity, and yeah, so that's it. So if you want to use one color for all of them, which I think is actually nice, I'll just click on this place that says use one color and change it to black. I want everything to be black. So let's go. I can toggle this on. I want 50%, so let me get 50% fib. I can switch this one to 0.50. yeah, 0.50, that's possible. And I also need 100, so I'll just click on this one. Let me use this one. $100. Okay, so you click on OK. Now as you can see, I have my 50% of Fibonacci retracement right here. So this is how to edit your Fibonacci retracement tool, and every other tool within Fibonacci. Okay, sorry, this is Fibonacci. Every other tool within Fibonacci, you can use it if you want to. I don't actually use any other tool here apart from Fibonacci retracement. So the next one is ABC pattern. Now this ABC pattern are for people that use Elliott wave. So I don't actually use Elliott wave, so I don't use any of them. So if you use any Elliott wave, you can use the tools here. So that's what this one is for. Now the next one is forecasting tool. So let's say, for example, you want to forecast where price is going to. Let's say you want to place a long position. You click on the first one, which is long, and place it, let's say right here. You want to buy from here. This is your target point, and this is where you want your stop loss to be at. Okay, so once price hits it, it will start counting for you. So that's what it is. Now you can edit this. If you don't like the color of it, you can edit the profit bar color here. I want the profit bar color to be blue, and the stop loss bar, I want it to be red, but a little bit thicker, so darker red. I'll increase the opacity. So this is how to edit this one. Now if you want to sell, for a sell, you use the short position and you place it right here. So you also need to edit this one. So let's edit it to the profit zone should be blue. The stop loss should be red with higher opacity. I think that one is at 44. And go to 10 45 is okay too. So this is for it. As you can see, you're in profit, so it's moving in profit. Now you can just practice with all these tools right here to see how they work. Now the next one is rectangle and brushes. Now for this one, if you want to mark up somewhere, let's say you want to mark a circle here, you can just use it to mark it and show somebody or something like that. So you can change the color to, let's change it to something blue, more dark. You can also change the size. 4 is bigger size, 1 is more tiny size, 2 is moderate. You can delete it here. And arrow, you can use arrow to point at anywhere. So this is how these tools work. Then just go through it and see for yourself. Now the one I use most of the time is a rectangle, which I used to draw my other block. So let's say, for example, I want to draw another block. Let's just, for example, this is another block right here. Let me delete this. You can just place your rectangle right here and draw it. For those that trade support and resistance, supply and demand, other block, favor legal, this is what you use the rectangle to do. Now you can edit the color. I want it to be blue. Now this is for the border. This is the border. Yeah, I don't want it to have any border, so I remove the border, and this is for the main rectangle itself. It's the inside of it. So increase the opacity to make it more nice. So you can as well go through every other tool right here to see how they work. So that's it. And the next one is text and notes. So if you want to add a text to the chart, remember I set the color of text I want, which was that blue? I think it changed. Okay, so let me just use something else. You can actually increase the text size. Let's say 16 to increase, 20 to increase. The color can change it to black, which I love. I prefer black, and I'll make it bold. You can add a background to it. You can add a border to it, but I'm not going to do all that. So this is it. I've added a background to it, so I can just delete it. Let me delete all these things. They are crowding the charts. So the next one is emojis. So if you want to add any emoji to it, you can select anyone you want from here and add them. So that's what this one is used for. Now the next one is a measuring tool. This measuring tool can help you know how many pips you'll be getting or how many pips you'll be losing. So let's say you want to measure how many pips starts from here to here. You can just click on the measuring tool, left click on your mouse and drag it down, and left click again to leave it. It shows you 16 pips. So from here, this move took 16 pips from here to here. So that's what the measuring tool is used for. Now let me contract this chart, so I'll show you another tool. Now I've contracted this chart. If I want to zoom in to this particular price point, all I have to do is to click on this zoom in option, and then left click on my chart, drag it down, and left click again, it will zoom into this point. Now if you want to go back to normal, you click on the minus. Okay, so that's how to zoom in and zoom out. If you want your chart to go back to normal, you can click on this reset chart view right here, or you can just keep tapping on the plus or icon or minus icon. But I'm just going to click on here, so go back to the neutral chart view. So the next one is that's what we're talking is hiding all drawings. So this icon, right, you can use it to hide every drawing. So let me draw some stuff on the charts. Let me add more. So if you want to hide all these things without clicking on them one by one, you can just click on this hide option right here, this eye icon, and it will hide all of them. If you want to delete all of them, you can just click on delete, remove for drawing, and all of them will be deleted. Okay, now there's another way to delete all these things without clicking on them one by one, and I'm going to show you guys. So if you want to delete all these things now without clicking on them one by one, all you just have to do is to click on the control button on your PC, hold it down, left click and drag your mouse to cover them up, then leave both of them together and click on the delete button, and everything will wipe away from the chart. Okay, so you are done with this part. Now let's look at the time frame. As you can see right here, this time frame, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. To switch to any other time frame, you click on the 1 minute time frame and then choose whatever time frame you want to go to. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame and click on 15 minutes. So I'm now on 15 minutes time frame. Once you go to the 1 hour, I'll click on 1 hour and go to the 1 hour time frame. Now if I want this time frame to appear at the top here, because going through this space is like a stress to me, so I'll just click on it. Once it pops up, then I'll select the ones I want to appear there and I'll choose them to be my favorites. I want 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. So I want that to be my favorites, so they will all appear here. So whatever one I want to go to, I'll just click on it without going through that stress anymore. So that is how it works. Now the next one is a candlestick. If I want to change this candlestick to line charts, I can click on the line charts and it will switch to line. If I want to go back to candlestick, I'll click on candle. It means to go back to candlestick. The next one is indicator. If you want to add indicator, I don't show indicators though, but if you show it with indicator and you want to add indicators, you just search for it. Let's search for moving average. That's the only indicator I know.
Moving average. So I'll click on this one, enable this one. Okay.
I can't use this one because I think it's for pro users. Now, mind you, the free version, you can only add 2 indicators at once. You can't add more than 2. So if that's a reason for you to upgrade, I think you should upgrade. And another thing is that if you are trading forex, I don't think you need the pro version unless you want to add more indicators to your chart or you want to backtest. I'll also show you guys more options, more reasons why you should go to get the pro version. But if you are trading indices, I will advise you to go for the pro version because in TradingView,
the indices chart is, I think, 30 seconds late or 15 seconds late because they want people. I don't know why it's just late on indices. On S&P 500 and on Nasdaq, it is 30 seconds late or 15 seconds late. So if you want to get the live chart without any delay, I think you should go for the pro plan from TradingView. So that's the reason. So let me add the moving average. Which one should I add? Let me see. I don't know why it was showing. I think I have. Do I have any indicators enabled? Let me see. Don't have any indicators. So let me try it again and see what really happened. Moving average course. I don't know why it's showing this thing right now, but I don't think it should be showing this. Let me see. I don't know, but I don't use TradingView, so I will not be needing this thing right now. So the next one is alert. If you want to add alert, wow, I think they have upgraded though. And if you want to use the market replay, you actually need to be on the pro plan. That is the one I'm very, very sure about. So you cannot use it for free. So that is how it works. And then moving to the top right side, this is the setting which I've already gone through. Now if you want to zoom in, you want to the full screen mode. Okay, you click on this icon and to take you to the full screen mode. If you don't want any other thing on the chart, if you want to go back, click on the escape key and to take you back. Now if you want to take a screenshot of your charts, maybe after analyzing, let's do some drawing. After analyzing, and if you're like, okay, let me take a screenshot and show my friends, what I've done, this kind of a thing. You don't actually need to start using an external screenshotter. Did I get that right? That you need to start using an external screenshot program or screenshot app. So all you have to do is to click on this camera icon right here to take a snapshot. And you can download the image, you can copy the image and paste it somewhere else as an image, and you can copy the link and paste it somewhere else as a link, or you can open it in a new tab. So let me just download the image. As you can see, it has downloaded automatically. So that's how it is. And let's go to another pair. So if you want to switch pair, you can come here, click on this symbol right here and switch to another pair. Let's say Euro USD. I didn't get that right. USD. Can switch to Euro USD. Okay, so that's how to switch from different pairs. Now, although you can do that by just typing on your screen, if you are using a laptop, which I believe everybody should be using, you can just type it on the screen and it will just pop up. Then you switch, or let's say GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, you can switch back to a GBP USD. So that's how to change your forex pair. So that's how to change the forex pairs. Now there is something I want to show you guys, a little trick that will make analyzing the charts very easy for you. So let's say you have decided to use some tools. Let's say you're using trend line, which I always use. I normally use because to draw something. Okay, not that I use it to not that I'm a trend line trader. Okay, so this horizontal line,
a horizontal line, a vertical line. I use all these. So I'll just add them as my favorites. As you can see, they are popping up in the screen on the screen right here. So I'll go to the next one. Do I need anything here? Yes, Fibonacci retracement. I don't need anything here. I think I need something here. I need the arrow. I need the rectangle. I need the life path, and nothing else. So on the text, I need the call out, and I think that was all. Yeah, I think that was all. Okay, I also need the text. So that was all. As you can see, they appear on the screen to make it easier for me. So all I have to do is to drag it to the point. Maybe I can put it here, or I will place it here to make it easier for me to draw. So now let's look at how to add your broker to TradingView. So add your broker to TradingView, you come here and click on trading panel. So once you click on trading panel, to maximize it, you click on this maximize panel, and once you click on it, you see all the brokers available here. If you want to see all of them, you click on all broker. Now for me personally, I use Xnels broker and Deriv broker. So if you want to sign up with any of them, you can use the link in the description box to sign up. So whatever broker you want to add to TradingView account, you select it from here. So you can click on it and select it. If it's IC Market, Easy Market, Capital.com, 8cap, or TradingView demo account, which is paper trading. This is the TradingView paper account. It's demo trading. So you can click on it and add your paper account. So let's say, for example, you want to add IC Market. You can click on connect, and once you click on connect, you take it to another interface. Then you can now connect your accounts, but we're not going to be doing that. So you log in, email and password. So that's it, and you'll be in automatically. So I think that is it. Paper trading. Let's add paper trading. So you can add paper trading. Just click on connect, and you'll be connected. Let me see your account. Account balance is $10,000. So that's it. So you click on minimize, click on minus, and go back to your chart. So you can now switch from different charts. Now you can also switch from different time frame without clicking on them here. You can just switch. You can just click on 1 hour, 1 hedge, and go to 1 hour, 1 day to go to 1 day, 1 W to go to 1 week, 1 M to go to 1 month. So that's just how to change your time frame with the shortcut. Yeah, so this is the add the text. So this is the end of the video. I think that's all you guys need to know about TradingView, how to use it. So do well to, as you can see my message right here, this is the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Guys, you guys need to start liking my videos so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. So please like the video if you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a friendly tutorial, okay? So if you enjoyed it, like the video, please, I beg.